Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards today. Let's see what we need to hear. Close your eyes and think about your dream being alive and real. How do you feel? Cherish this feeling and keep it as your compass and follow it. Let's pick one of these. Emotion. The desire for a positive experience is itself a negative experience. The acceptance of one's negative experience is itself a positive experience. Mark Manson. Imagine your life is someone else's dream life. Yep. Desire is a contract you make with yourself to be unhappy until you get what you want. Do you celebrate the small steps towards your goals? You deserve happiness on your journey. And let's see what chakra card we need to hear today. Third chakra, solar plexus, personal power. I choose to be myself and to express my truth. I have a positive influence on the people and the situations around me. I allow my integrity and confidence to shine, which instills more confidence and belief in myself, and then encourages others to have natural confidence in me. I do not allow my personal power to become egotistical, manipulative, or exploitive. All right. Which item has our quotes today? This one's cute. When you spread joy around, you will find that you have more than you started with. I allow my body, mind, and spirit to flow intuitively through the changes in life. Keep your feet firmly planted on the ground with the foundation of knowledge. Expand your mind with new experiences, and your spirits will soar to new heights. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day of the year. Yes. I journey within to meet my higher self and to find true happiness. And the last one today. I take actions daily that awaken my personal power. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.